This video will show you an introduction to BiliCare. BiliCare is a non-invasive transcutaneous bilirubin meter for neonates. It is a screening device that helps caregivers decide whether a neonate should undergo an invasive blood test for bilirubin measurement. The results may be displayed in milligram to deciliter or in micromole to liter units. BiliCare applies a certain pressure at the point of measurement. Blood in the measurement area may affect the result. Therefore, the blood is literally pushed away from the light path by applying pressure that is a bit higher than the systolic pressure. On the other hand, the pressure is restricted in order not to disturb the baby. BiliCare may communicate with a hospital information system or to BiliCare viewer via PC. Feeding patient ID 1 information is necessary for transferring data. The sensor should be only positioned on the upper side of the ear, in the scaphoid fossa, in the place where the thickness is most consistent. Avoid placing the sensor on folded or malformed locations or any other body parts. BiliCare system contains the following parts: charging stand, power supply, optional covers, calibration check tips, BiliCare handheld device. Let's review the different parts. The charging stand is used to charge the device and to connect it to a computer. The orange light indicates that the device is charging. On the back side are the power supply connector and the communication connector. When not in use, it is recommended to always place BiliCare handheld device in the charging stand. BiliCare power supply charges the handheld unit from any main source between 100 and 250 AC volts and between 50 and 60 Hertz. BiliCare comes with a power supply and various connectors that fit different outlets around the world. BiliCare may be used with optional disposable covers. These covers minimize the contact between the baby's ears and the measuring device. Let's briefly go through the different elements of the handheld unit. Sensor clip, color touch screen, the on-off button, measure button, on the back the barcode scanner and BiliCare's label, on the bottom the connector pads. This is the BiliCare screen. The upper part displays the following information: current time, current date, battery status, buzzer status. In most screens, there are 3 keys at the lower part of the screen: back key, home key, next key. Let's go through the keys of the home screen: measure, show results, calibration check, setup. Let's press show results. This is a history feature where you can see previous results. When entering show results, the most recent result is displayed first. BiliCare stores up to 40 dated measurements. You can easily go through the results by clicking next and back. Once the history list is full, a new result will replace the oldest one. Let's press calibration check. This procedure verifies that BiliCare is working properly. Follow the instructions on the screen. The first screen asks the user to close the clip. This means that no tip or cover should be on the sensor. Click Next. The next screen asks the user to place the calibration check tip. Place the tip on the sensor and click Next. If BiliCare works properly, the check successful screen is displayed. If the check failed, the check unsuccessful screen is displayed. The device should be sent to service. The measure and setup keys are explained in other tutorials. For further details, please refer to the user manual. Please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for using BiliCare.